Please, you have to listen to me. This is so important. We can't ignore it any longer.
Justice for Nick! Justice for Nick!
They can't hide the truth! No more secrets! Release the files! We won't stop!
Justice now! Justice now!
The threat is imminent. We must activate the core protocols now. Monitor every access point, track the anomalies in real time, deploy the firewalls, lock down the system. We cannot afford to fail. We are the Digital Truth Movement. At Gujarat AI Research Center, we demand unity. No more deception. We fight for transparency. Join us now. The future is ours. We stand at the forefront of a digital revolution. The Gujarat AI Tech Center is launching the Digital Truth Movement. With AI Unity, we will build a future of innovation and trust.
And that is the final, impactful truth we must all face.